Wash your face with apple cider vinegar for 5 days and watch what happens to your skin. In recent years, apple cider vinegar has gained much popularity as a tonic that can alleviate various health problems and even help you lose weight. Some of these purposes have been scientifically proven, others have been rejected, and others remain without scientific evidence of whether they serve or not. In this video we will tell you how you can use apple vinegar for your face and your skin. In just 5 days you will begin to notice incredible results. So if you want to know how to apply it, we invite you to continue watching this video. Uses of apple cider vinegar for the face and for the skin. Here are some of the main uses you can give to this fabulous kitchen ingredient. Eliminates age spots. Apple vinegar, thanks to its chemical components, has the ability to eliminate dead cells on our tissues, to leave our skin smooth and shiny instantly. A simple recipe that you can make at home, to apply apple vinegar to the face and eliminate all those imperfections that annoy you, is as follows. Process. 1. Mix half a glass of water with a spoonful of apple cider vinegar, and then soak a cotton in that preparation. 2. Bring the cotton to your face, and gently move it. Your face is washed and cleaned beforehand. 3. Let the product act for at least half an hour, then rinse with warm water. 4. Apply this treatment every day, for 6-8 weeks in a row, and we assure you that the results will be disbelieving. Reduces acne and pimples. Another reason why many people have decided to use apple vinegar for the face is because of the awesome power that this ingredient has in eliminating all the traits of the stage of adolescence, such as acne and pimples. One of the properties of apple cider vinegar is to remove the fat from the skin, which prevents it from being stored in it and forms any type of pimple.